Alright, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know it's been a while since I did a video, but today is the day when I have some free time and I'll be actually PPFing the front bumper and possibly the door cups as well. So I got this actually came from Lexus themselves. So this is the part number right here for the front bumper. It is made from 3M. And for the door cups for the GX, it is this right here, and it is also 3M as well. So the door cups are basically that will go pretty much like around this area, where like, you know, you have like long nails, or you know, some people that try to enter the car, they typically like either go like this, or they're gonna like fully go on into scratching the paint on the inner side of the door cups. So that's the reason why I got this, just so I don't want it to be scratched in the long term. And for the front bumper, of course, with all rock chips and all that, and with like bugs and all that hitting it, definitely want to protect it as much as possible. But I do have some chips already right here. You can kind of see it right there. There's 1 and 2. Not so bad really. That's another reason why I decided to PPF my front bumper for that reason. And I think I have another chip somewhere. Oh yeah, and then run one right there. So it's not too bad. They're very small, but again, want to protect it as much as I can. I wish I did this like a while ago when I got the car, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. I did actually have to remove the front license plate. As you can see, it's right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the PPF for the front bumper looks like. So I pretty much unrolled the PPF, and this is pretty much pre-cut for the GX. It does have the pre-cut holes and everything for the sensors, parking sensors. And then for this area right here, same thing, parking sensors. And you can kind of see where the PPF is at. It's right there. So kind of like aligns nicely with that. So I don't have to do anything crazy with like, you know, cutting each individual grill right there, which would be like tedious work. But I know there's other like professionals who are capable of doing that. But I know for me, you know, I really don't. I didn't want to do that. So that's the reason why I went with this GX PPF, OEM PPF. For the right side, you can kind of see like where, I guess, this area for the headlight would pretty much like go around here. That's where the PPF will hug around. And oh, another thing to mention is, I didn't mention the whole pre-cut holes for the parking sensors. So that will be exposed. It looks like the PPF for the GX does not include that, so that will be exposed. I think there's a reason why. I guess they don't want to like, I guess, block the sensors from not being sensed. But I know there's some people that fully PPF the whole thing, including the sensors. So I'm not so sure about that. But as of right now, I'm just leave it open since this is how it came. So it's not a big deal. So I do have my front bumper all cleaned up already. I degreased it and everything. So there shouldn't be any like debris on the front bumper anymore. Wiped it down completely, and I have my wet solution right here. They recommended to use like a Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo with wet water, and that's really it. I don't think I have to do anything else. Oh, and of course I have the squeegee right there for the PPF. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the process of me PPFing my GX, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had to pause the video just because I had to pretty much like do the intact solution that comes for the edges. So I went ahead and already did that. So everything looks good, and I already put the PPF for the washer for the headlight washer thing. And yeah, it's looking really good now. Pretty much we'll just like let it settle in now. I did my best to get rid of all the bubbles. And the only area that obviously I couldn't really like make it as perfect is this area. That is because of the holes for the license plate bracket. So that is fine. It's not gonna be obviously like, you know, can't really see it while driving. So either way, it's gonna be drilled through there, drilled through here, and then that's where the bracket will go. Quick little update. I went ahead and drilled a hole through the PPF. So that way I was able to kind of like just massage this area as best as I could. But like I said, it shouldn't be perfect because, you know, there's holes there, so it looks imperfect. The front license plates are already mounted. So one thing that I noticed while I was pretty much looking around the edges is this PPF does have like a watermark, or should I say? But you can kind of see the logo right here of the Lexus from the PPF. I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. And I looked into the other side and it didn't have it there. So it looks like it only has it on the driver's side, which is pretty cool. All right, guys, so it is currently the next day. So got the GX right here. Front bumpers PPF. So the next PPF I will be doing is actually the door cups. I just didn't have time to do it yesterday. So got the door cups right here. And how they come is actually like this. Kind of looks like an apple, I guess, in a weird way, but they should pretty much go like this. There's no wrong or correct way to put this besides putting it horizontal then vertical, because obviously vertical look weird, but this is meant to go horizontal. And there's a total of 4, so I'll be doing it for all the 4 door cups right there. And of course, can't forget the wet solution, so I'll just be spraying it right here. Just like that. Just need to pump some pressure in, so. Yo. Got the driver's side door handle already PPF'd. I will say this wasn't that hard, but just going around this area can be a little tedious. That is because I just did my best to pretty much even it out from, you know, from the door handle up and down as well. So looks pretty even in my opinion. So that's the only thing that I did, just to pretty much even out, and then obviously applied a lot of wet solution to where I would like to have it placed. And yeah, it's looking really good. Pretty much just finished all the door cups for the GX. So if I go around, this door cup is done. Kind of see the outlining right there, the PPF, and same goes for these. So you guys hear that noise on the metal? So kind of sounds like it's like a cup of glass or something, some wine glass noise. And that's with the PPF. That's the metal, and that's with the PPF. Oddly satisfying, so I don't know why it makes that noise, but yeah. One reason why I did the door cups as well is because I know there are some people, like especially you have like some guest passengers, you know, come into your GX or your car. There's always that one person that has either long nails or just someone doesn't cut them at all, and they're definitely gonna like dig up the paint inside the door cups. So that's one of the reasons why I got the PPF on the door cups. I thought it was very essential, but at least I have some peace of mind knowing that my door cups won't be as scratched because it is PPF now. So that's in good hands. And then so goes with my PPF front bumper. I believe the next thing I really want to do is actually the hood and the fenders, and then obviously possibly the believe this is the A pillar. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I definitely want to do that as well, because you know, there's definitely going to be some debris or some rock that's always going to hit this. Oh, and then obviously the side mirrors. Lexus themselves definitely has their own pre-cut as well for the side mirrors, and it is also 3M, same material as the door cup and the front bumper that I did. So I'm looking forward for that as well. I don't want to like fully buy everything just yet. So the reason why is because I pretty much wanted to test out if I can do the PPF. I know I wrapped on my previous car, my IS, a couple times before, and other friends' vehicle as well. So PPF is kind of similar to a wrap. It's not really fully the same. That is because PPF is a more thicker material. So if you're not used to like a thicker material film, you're definitely going to struggle with, you know, applying the PPF on your vehicle, and especially around like sharp edges. So, and of course you do have to use a lot of like wet solution. So that's very important. And then also a tack solution. So it like sticks on the corners of the vehicle. So that's the reason why I think PPF has a very high expense labor. And you know, I've been quoted a pretty high amount for just getting the front bumper, hood, and fenders completed. So just thought I'd like to try it myself for now. So otherwise it's coming out pretty well. I'm very satisfied with like how it came out so far. And I believe another area, as I was pretty much talking, is pretty much like this area. There's always some bugs that be hitting that area. So I think some PPF, maybe like that, where I like cut it around here, going all the way to the other side, kind of like a little strip would be nice, but we'll see. I mean, I'll have to definitely get the film first for the hood and the side fenders. So definitely got to measure that as well. Thank you guys again for watching the video of me PPFing my front bumper. Look out for more videos. I definitely will do a lot more videos for the GX. I do plan on getting the dash cam on the GX as well. I've heard a lot of good things about the fit cam, so definitely want to do that as well. And then a couple other things. We'll see what's out there really for the GX, but definitely looking forward for that. But again, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget like, comment, subscribe. Peace.